Obviously, you're wondering why you're here. So, these are the facts. At 1900 local time yesterday, Soxon Forward Operations Base in Qatar was attacked. So far as we know, there were no survivors. The objective of the attack was to hack our military network. We're not sure exactly what they were after, but we do know that they were cut off during the assault, which would lead us to assume that they're going to try it again. Now, no one's taken responsibility for the attack, and the only real lead we have so far is this sound.
You do not know the way. You think you know the way, but only me and my brothers know the way. The way of the Ugandan people. We will use our Ebola and our Ugandan power and kill them, spit on them.